Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cartoonize.net is easy-to-use online photo-to-cartoon effect tool, and they also provide desktop software of image cartoonizer. Upload your photo, select cartoon effect and cartoonize. That's it, and your cartoon is ready. Anymaking provides free creative photo tools to apply nice effects to photos.
Take our lead.
Cartoon Photo Maker. Cartoon yourself or cartoonize any photo with our one-click image cartoonizer. Create and organize layers. Create and organize project elements with a user-friendly layers panel. Export for print at 400 dpi. Achieve stunning print quality of up to 400 dpi with our adjustable export dial.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cartoon Yourself app is popular and amazing cartoon maker app for both Android and iOS users. You can easily make cartoon of any of your photo. With the help of this photo cartoon apps, you can easily turn your photo into a cartoon sketch, cartoon drawing and black and white cartoon.
Take our lead.
Voila is an app that uses artificial intelligence to turn your photo into different 3D cartoon versions. The app is pretty simple to use. It allows you to select a photo from your photo library or to take one directly from the app.
Take our lead.
MomentCam. MomentCam is one of the best apps to turn photos into cartoons, and so it easily takes a spot in our list. It offers a myriad of amazing filters and different stickers for you to make any image look like it's straight out of a cartoon or a sketchbook. The app's interface is extremely simple and easy to use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.